Look at this. Hey guys, due to some popular demand, I would like to share to you more about mulberries. Now it's more on propagation, how to make your mulberries fruit, and how to make your mulberries juicier and more plumper like these ones. So these are actually the same mulberries that you will see along the way in the pots, regardless of their size, form, and shape, apart from those that I have noted that I have planted in the ground. So this is the one in the pot, and if you have been a subscriber, you have seen this a lot of times in my previous video, including the benefits of mulberry. So here you go. After you prune your mulberry, they will extend some shoots like this or some new growth in the nodes. That's why the nodes are very important to be healthy. And they will also give you, I'm not sure if you can see that, a little mulberry thing-ish here, this green one. So they will just grow with proper watering and produce you a new set of berries. So this is also the same thing here. I think here it's more visible. Look at those tiny little mulberries. So after pruning again, it will give out some shoot like this. I am using the same plant, the one that I have shown previously, and that was the actual berries of this plant. So before they grow into that thing, they started off like this. So I did not totally prune this plant because I am giving this to somebody, and I'm just gonna prepare this plant for another set of fruiting season. So here, this is already quite big, and this is how it looks like. Did it give out also? There are also times that they're only producing a few fruits, but most times they do also quite a lot. It's hard to set a focus. There you go. And look at their leaves. Like, who would not be in love with their heart-shaped green leaves? It feels like kind of still paper with kind of ridge on the side. Look how nature just designed it like this. You find it really cool. So healthy. And this is how the nodes would look like. So if ever you wanted to check the nodes, if you want to propagate them, make sure you have some healthy nodes. Like this one is a very healthy node. Hey guys, this is a very high summer day, and I'm here at my parents' house. Here, just in. And how amazing it is that next to the room is a mulberry. It's like you can have a mulberry inside your house, and I think that's really cool. And check this one or this one. Look at this. So I will gonna show you more about this mulberry next to the window in a few seconds, but I just wanted to let you know that this is just next to the house, next to the room, with a carambola or star fruit. Mulberries are very warm loving and sun loving plant as well, so it really requires at least 5 to 7 hours direct sunlight, or if ever there's a direct sunlight, they can thrive, but I can't be sure that they can bear this awesome fruit. I grow my plants organically, so they are not actually given any synthetic fertilizers, only compost, FAAs, and FFJs if ever just needed. So a little compost in a garden soil, they would just be pretty much good about it. The black ones are really sweet, and since I don't have a sweet tooth, I harvest them together with one red mulberry. I eat the fruit of the mulberry as it is because it's just so yummy. I place it on my cereal or I make a juice out of it. You can make it as a jam, as a candy, or even use the wood as a furniture. If I only have one pot in this world, it will be a mulberry. Thank you for watching.